Hey y'all, today I'm installing the Outre Perfect Hairline new unit. It's in Sierra. Gorgeous, right? And then I have it in the caramel mocha color. That's the one that's in the middle. I mean, she's slaying on each color, but we just had to go with that middle because that's my jam. That's what I normally go with anyway. So Perfect Hairline has the lace frontal. This one's 24 inches long. It's glueless and it has transparent HD lace. I'm hoping that I don't have to do any plucking because I'm not in the mood. But we're gonna see. It might just have to happen. Nothing makes me smile more. Have a frontal effect going on right there. You get some lace that goes all the way back to about, I don't know if this is, yeah, 13 by 6. So it goes back 6 inches. You have a frontal effect right there around the front. So if you need to do some customization to the lace, you can. It has some baby hairs. It has a comb. It has an elastic band. Combs in the front. And the curls and the color are giving. This feels so soft. And I'm so excited. Let's get this baby put on. Are we thinking middle or side? Middle or side part? I'm thinking middle. I'm gonna do basic of the basic and do a middle part with no baby hairs. I wanted to see this unit in its natural state. The only thing I probably will end up doing is doing just a little bit of plucking in the front where it will be visible near my parting space. I would like to keep this wig on without using any spray. I don't use no spray, okay? So we're gonna try to have this unit on completely glueless, y'all. We'll see though, because sometimes the spray gives it that melt that it needs. I was looking for my razor, but I can't find it. So with scissors, we go. I'm notorious for not taping down ear tabs. Sometimes I just don't feel like it. And today's might be one of those days. Soft, but not silky, but it's definitely giving soft. These little strands just want to keep getting caught in my lip gloss. Now all I'm going to do is add some makeup to this little extra lace that you can see. But I'm going to try to get closer and cut off any extra that I possibly can. What I wish though is that these units would come with maybe like a lace color option. Sometimes I just want to get a wig and not have to take out my makeup to blend it to my skin. Or even use a lace tint spray. Like sometimes I just don't want to have to do that. I want to be able to cut the lace off and then it just blends instead of having to go in extra work to make sure that everything else is blending into my skin like I needed to. And I'll even pay the extra $2 to $3 that I'm pretty sure will be charged for that. But sometimes I just wish it was an option, because when I hear HD transparent, I'm thinking you're going to blend into my skin, not I have to go back behind you and blend it to my skin. Like, why do I have to use my makeup, you know? I'm gonna do it though, but I'm just saying, I feel like it should be optional, because I bet a lot of people would buy lace that blends into their skin versus having to use their makeup. And then I'm gonna just come right here, pluck in the middle. There's a few strands that I feel like just need to go. Yeah, just a little bit of plucking just to kind of open it up. And I'll take some of this got to be right here in the front. And we're gonna go back over it with a little bit more makeup. You guys see a little up close. And then all we have to do is brush out the hair from here. Bring it around. Give it a little brush. Why did I think this was gonna be longer than this? 24 inches. This is, am I tripping? Does this look like 24 inches to y'all? 24 inches normally, like, and I'm tall, but normally it comes like right here. That's not 24 inches. I don't think that's 24. I really like this wig, but the only thing I have to say is this does not look like 24 inches to me. And don't get me wrong, I know curled hair, but these curls are not tight and it's still not giving a lot of length. It's giving more like 20, not 24. Bangs are nice and big, and I feel like the hair towards the bottom is falling a little bit less in density. I need the same density towards the bottom. I don't want to look like a mushroom, and it's kind of trying to make me look like one. But the wig is cute. The color is cute too. I love how the hair feels. It's not super silky. It's nice and spacious back here. I got a lot of room in the back, no shedding. And for the most part, you know, it blended after I put in a little bit of work. You got a long parting space here. And you got space to do some different hairstyles. I'll probably do some different hairstyles over on TikTok, so make sure you follow me there. The wig is very cute. Like, I have nothing negative about how it wears and how it looks. It feels great. But let me know what you guys think about it in the comments. And that's pretty much it. Back view. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye y'all.